The next section is all about planning and executing your content strategy. Let's start with a list of the products you already have at home or in your family's house. On this page, you can start creating an inventory of these products, and includes all the necessary data to figure out which products should take priority and which ones might not be worth focusing on. So first, I'm gonna break down the best way to get and fill in every single piece of data for your product. After that, I will show you how to sort the data to guide you in the right direction. First, note down the product's name and its URL. Here, what I usually do is drop in my affiliate link from the side stripe bar. This way, if I'm planning to reuse the content I'm making for this product on other social platforms, I will have an easy way to get to it quickly. Then add the price, and if possible, jot down how many sales it had last month. This sales data is not always available for all products, but when it's available, I make sure to take note of it. And to track down this info for a specific product, what I do is go to the Amazon page and type in the product's name in the search bar. Let's take Brothers Sewing Machine as an example. Then you can see how many were bought last month right over here. The smallest number I have seen displayed is 50, so if you cannot see any number, it's probably because the product has less than 50 sales, but honestly, I'm not really sure how they are deciding on that, so when there is no info, I just leave the field blank. Next up, you can include how many videos this product already has. Brand videos are the ones that appear under videos for this product. So in this case, there is one, and videos created by other influencers are found under related videos. So there are 3 of those. But before we continue, here is an important note. Amazon is constantly testing and updating how and where videos are displayed. However, in most cases, when a seller allows videos in the top carousel of the product page, Amazon provides up to 5 video spots for influencer content. For example, in this case, we still have 2 video spots available. The template automatically calculates how many spots are left and assigns a category in the next column. In this case, it falls under the last spots category, which signals that you should prioritize creating videos for that item. The other categories are top carousel, and this one appears when there are brand videos and 2 or fewer influencer videos. Then we have empty bottom. This is when there are neither brand nor influencer videos, and here is an example of how it typically looks on the page. While it's not at the top of the product page, the lack of competition can still help you get some clicks. Next, we have full top. In this case, all 5 influencer video spots are taken. You can still upload a video and potentially get the place of one of the current videos, but it's not guaranteed and more challenging compared to the other options. And lastly, we have competitive bottom. This is when there are no brand videos, meaning no top carousel, but the bottom carousel is already filled with influencer videos. This is one of the hardest scenarios for getting clicks, which is why this category is sorted last. You will want to focus on these products after you have covered all the better options. Now let's talk about reviews. If I already got the number of products sold last month, I usually don't pay too much attention to the review count. However, if you don't have that estimated sales number, then reviews are another way to see how popular a product is. So here you can put the total number of reviews it has, and in the next column, the number of reviews in the last month by going to see more reviews, choosing most recent, and then counting them. The next column is category. Knowing the category is important because if there is any type of special opportunity in the program, it could be limited to certain categories, so this way you can easily identify which products could qualify. And to find the products category, it can show up at the top of the product page like this. If you cannot find it there, all you have to do is scroll and click on a very similar product from the More Items to Explore section, and then you will find it there. Another way to find the category is in the product information table under Best Sellers rank. Sometimes it displays more than one category. For example, it might show the main or root category along with a more specific subcategory. And I always stick to using only the root one. And last but not least, we have the production date and status that go hand in hand. The production date is when you plan to work on the video. If you're still unsure, you can leave it blank and the status will remain as products I have. And once you're ready to start, simply select a date and the status will automatically update to video in progress. This will remove the item from this table and move it to the videos in progress page. But before we move on to that section, here are some quick tips. You can change the order of these columns by dragging them and placing them in the way that works best for you. Also, if there is a column you don't want to use, you can click on it and select Hide in View. And now let's talk about sorting. This lets you put the products with the biggest earning potential right at the top of the list. To see and customize this function, click on Sort, and in this section you will find the sorting method I recommend, which is already set up in the template, and I just want to explain how it works in case you want to make changes later. So here I start with visibility by having videos on top as ascending. So we prioritize the videos that still have video spots available at the top of the product page, followed by the ones that have no videos at all, because even if it's not featured on top, if you are the only one with a video of this item, that will give you more visibility than if there is a bunch of other videos already. Then we continue with profit, and here price is set as descending. So the most expensive products go first, so you can snag a bigger commission. And lastly, we address sales by setting the last month's sales as descending. So in case there are two products that have future videos on top and that also have the same price, the one with the most sales will go before the other. If you want to change the order of these priorities, all you have to do is drag and drop them. For example, if you want to give more weight to sales over profit, the order will be like this. And if you want to add another property to take into consideration, click on Add Sort and select the one you want. But overall, this is how you get to see which products you have access to are worth prioritizing in your content strategy.